Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 7 and Ind AS 16. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. A review of financial statements for compliance with Ind AS is beneficial not only for the company or the auditor, but also for the investor, employee of the company or supplier of the company. In one of the orders, NFRA has identified customer as a stakeholder too. As an investor, it is very important that you get the financial statements of the company you have invested to know the level of compliance with applicable accounting standards in company's financial statements. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. A QR code has been given on all these slides. It is a humble request that if you find the videos on GAAP Advisors channel useful, kindly reflect on the value created and contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides towards the value creation. A listed company other than NBFC has reported notes to cash flow statement as shown in the slide. Previous video on GAAP Advisors channel discussed how the note on a reclassification of previous year's figures was not in accordance with Ind AS 1. In the same note, the company has disclosed that the purchase of fixed assets reported in cash flows from investing activities are inclusive of movements of capital WIP, assets under development and capital advances. Movements in capital WIP may include non-cash items such as the transfer from capital WIP to property, plant and equipment, capitalization of interest, provision for impairment, etc. Para 43 of Ind AS 7 states that investing and financing transactions that do not require the use of cash and cash equivalents shall be excluded from cash flow statement. Para 43 of Ind AS 7 states that investing and financing transactions that do not require the use of cash and cash equivalents shall be excluded from statement of cash flows. Therefore, the company has not complied with para 43 of Ind AS 7. Having read the note on inclusion of movements of capital WIP in purchase of fixed assets, let us see what has the company reported in the note on capital WIP. The company has reported interest during the construction period separately. The interest capitalized could have been paid. Para 31 of Ind AS 7 requires interest paid to be reported as cash flows from financing activities. Para 32 of Ind AS 7 clarifies that the total amount of interest paid during a period is disclosed whether it has been recognized as an expense in profit or loss or capitalized in accordance with Ind AS 23. The company has reported cash flows of interest paid as cash flows from purchase of fixed assets. It is not in accordance with para 31 of Ind AS 7. Further, the amount of interest capitalized includes accrued interest, which is a non-cash item. Therefore, the company has not complied with para 43 of Ind AS 7, which prohibits non-cash items from being reported as investing activities. The company has not reported opening balance of capital WIP, the expenditures recognized during the period in capital WIP and the expenditures transferred from capital WIP to property, plant and equipment during the period. Para 74 of Ind AS 16 requires the amount of expenditures recognized in the carrying amount of an item of property, plant and equipment in the course of construction which the company has not disclosed. The company has therefore not complied with Ind AS 16(2). Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com.